So what is Fiverr? Well, it's a site where you can go to outsource a lot of things. But what makes Fiverr different from other freelance websites is that you can offer all types of services on here if you're looking to make money on Fiverr. For example, aside from just offering technical services such as programming and website building, you could also offer services such as impersonating celebrities and doing pranks to just drawing cartoons. Here, let's take a look at some of the categories on here. So you have graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle. Let's take a look at music and audio. So just taking a look here, there's voiceovers, mixing and mastering, jingles and drops. Now, if you're not talented musically, let's just go back here. Let's go to the lifestyles category, just to show you that you don't really need any talent or skills. I mean, there's something here for everybody. If you're looking to make money, you can provide a service on here that doesn't really require much skill. So there's relationship advice, arts and crafts, astrology and reading, spiritual and healing, greeting cards, collectibles, family, celebrity impersonators, gaming. Okay, so let's say you're into gaming. So let's just click on this. Okay, so there's people offering coaching services, help you out with your gaming. Let's go to family. Okay, so there's people offering to research your genealogy and your family tree. Someone here is offering to guest post in their baby and mom blog. And someone here is offering 187 English worksheets for 3 to 5-year-old kids. And now what's interesting about this is that they probably already have these prepared and it's just being automatically delivered to their customers. So not much work is required for this one. They're just basically selling a product. And here's someone offering to transcribe your historical documents. Okay, let's go back. There's someone offering online lessons such as guitar lessons. Let's go here. Last one. Your message on. So you could just write a message. Let's take a look here. I will be your female model for your product or brand. And here's someone's offering to write your name or logo on 4 coffee cups. And someone offering to hold a sign with your message or logo. And here's someone offering to deliver a message as Boatman. Okay, so you probably get the idea. There is a wide variety of services that you can offer on Fiverr. Another interesting thing about Fiverr is that when it first opened to the public, the services on here were $5. Basically, you were offering $5 services. And now you could charge more than $5, even the hundreds and I think even thousands of dollars. And what's great about Fiverr is that there are now people earning 6 figures a year selling on Fiverr. Most people who are selling services on Fiverr look at Fiverr as a way to make money. Okay, but there are very few people who are using Fiverr for lead generation purposes. You may have heard of the phrase, the money's in the list. So basically, if you build a list of customers, you'll be able to market to them time and time again, repeatedly, and also build a relationship with them in the process. So one way you can look at Fiverr is like a tripwire. You basically sell a small service or product for $5, $6, or $7, and then you could always offer bigger services or even higher priced products later on. But get them to opt in to your list after they buy your product. Offer them a bonus. It could be anything such as a free report, or you could just direct them to a page where they could fill in their email address so that they could be notified of any new services by you in the future. One of the keys to getting more exposure to your gigs is by optimizing them. The more specific you can make your gigs, the better. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your profile, title, and tags. You can also check your competitors' gigs to get ideas. Now, as for your cover photo, the picture that's displayed on your gig, you got to look at it as a thumbnail that's used on YouTube videos. I'm sure if you've ever been on YouTube, you've seen thumbnails on there that just makes you want to click. So that's how powerful cover photos are for your gigs. They're just as powerful as a YouTube thumbnail. It'll have a major influence on whether or not people will click on your gig. Your cover photo could showcase your expertise. You could also, again, take a look at the top sellers' cover photos so you can get ideas. Now, one thing you want to consider, instead of just including a cover photo, is to add a video. Gigs with videos actually rank better than gigs without videos. And adding a video presentation will also persuade people better than a photo. And don't worry, you don't have to be in the video, or you don't even have to make the video. You can just hire someone on Fiverr to speak on your behalf or to create a whiteboard video for you. One of the things you want to strive for is to become a top rated seller on Fiverr. And the reason for this is because your gigs will get pushed up to the top of the search engine rankings when you're a top rated seller. Your gigs will just get found by more people on Fiverr. So when you first start out, you're considered a regular seller. You can go to fiverr.com/levels and you could see the overview and the benefits and also the requirements for each level. So you start out as a seller, and after 60 days, if you meet the requirements, you can become a level 1 seller and you'll get more benefits. One of the benefits of becoming a level 1 seller is that you'll be eligible to be featured on promotional listings. Now, after another 60 days, if you qualify, you can become a level 2 seller. And the key benefit I like about becoming a level 2 seller is that you'll be able to send custom offers up to $10,000. As a level 1 seller, you can only send custom offers up to $5,000, and same with being a regular seller. And then finally, you can become a top rated seller after another 60 days. And you'll get more benefits, and the key benefit is that like I said earlier, your gigs will show up higher in the search engine rankings on Fiverr.